Now we are doing miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous will get mixture of all exercises. Like question first is differentiate 3x square minus 9x plus 5 power 9. This is very simple. Whenever you get whole power, do differentiation of power, then inside value. How to do whatever function is given, I have taken let this is y equal to differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to, first of all, power differentiation, power forward, power minus 1. आपको पावर को सामने लाना है, पावर में एकदम, then d by dx inside value without outside power, क्योंकि पावर का डिफरेंशिएशन हम कर चुके हैं. Now this is 9 3x square minus 9x plus 5 power 8 and d by dx 3 d by dx x square is 2x, d by dx x is 1 and d by dx 5 is 0. So this is 9 3x square minus 9x plus 5 power 8 and this is 6x minus 9. This is the answer. Very simple. Same way, question number 4. We have to differentiate sine inverse x root x. So differentiating with respect to x. What is the differentiation of sine inverse x? We know that this is the formula. D by dx sine inverse x is 1 upon root over 1 minus x square. Here x, for x, this is the differentiation. But in place of x, this value is given. So first of all, dy by dx is 1 upon root over 1 minus, suppose this value is x, this is square, x root x square. Then differentiation of x root x separately. So how will you do? 1 upon root over 1 minus x square into x, square of x square and root x square is x, and d by dx x is power, x power we can write 3 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is 1 upon root over 1 minus x cube into 3 by 2 x power 3 by 2 minus 1. So this is 1 upon root over 1 minus x cube into 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2. This is the answer. Now this is sixth question. Already we have done this question exercise 2. I told you whenever you get this type of question, inverse trigonometric function, first of all simplify it. Differentiating this will be very tough, but if you are simplifying, we have done this question already, we'll do this question in integration also. So first of all we'll find its simplest form, thereafter we'll do differentiation and integration, thereafter after getting simplest form we'll integrate. So how will you get simplest form of it? Our aim is we want to remove under root. So in place of 1 we can write cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, and for sin x we can write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Why I am writing like this? This is becoming a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Under root will be removed. Our main aim is we want to remove. Second method we can rationalize also. This is very simple. In place of 1 everywhere cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, and for sin x we'll write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, because 2x is not given, only x is given. So this is what saying, cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 and minus cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Our main aim is we want to remove under root. So cot inverse, this is becoming cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. So next step, this is square and square root will be cancelled. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. And here cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 square. This is minus, so this will be minus. And here sin is minus, so minus root over cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So simplest form of this here square get cancelled, only will get cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus sin cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. When we'll open this bracket, sin x by 2 cancel, denominator cos x by 2 cancel. So this is cot inverse cos x by 2 plus cos 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2. So 2 cancel, cos by sin cot. So this is cot inverse cot x by 2. Cot inverse cot cancel, only x by 2. This is y. So therefore dy by dx is x differential is 1 upon 2 into 1. So this is 1 by 2. Miscellaneous fifth we are doing. Now this is ninth question. Differentiate sin x minus cos x whole power sin x minus cos x. As I told you, whenever you get x function and power is constant, we can do direct differentiation. But base function is power is also x function. Without log we cannot differentiate. So taking log both the sides, taking log on both the sides, this is log y equal to log sin x minus cos x whole power sin x minus cos x. Now we'll use log property. What is the property? Log m power n. This will become n log m. Power will come forward. So this sin x minus cos x will come forward. Log sin x minus cos x. Now we'll use differentiation using product rule. This is first function, this complete is second function. So differentiating with respect to x, we have to use product rule. Log y differentiation is because of log 1 upon y, because of y dy by dx. And product rule, first function constant, sin x minus cos x constant. Differentiation of this along with log, whatever you are getting 1 upon sin x minus cos x because of log. Now d by dx sin x minus cos x, we have to show it again. This is because of log 1 upon, because d by dx log x is 1 upon x. So this is 1 upon y dy by dx equal to sin x minus cos x upon sin x minus cos x, we can cancel. Now d by dx sin x minus cos, bring d by dx inside. So d by dx sin x is cos x and d by dx cos x minus sin x, already minus sign, we are getting plus sin x. And dy by dx is, wait, first function constant, differentiation of second, plus second function constant, log sin x minus cos x constant, sin x minus cos x constant, d by dx sin x minus cos x. Product rule we are using. So this is simplification of this is, we are getting this, and log sin x minus cos x constant, and differentiation of sin x is cos x, and this is minus plus sin x. Sin differentiation cos x and differentiation cos is minus, already minus sin, so plus sin x. So we can take cos x plus sin x common, cos x plus sin x common, 1 plus log sin x minus cos x. Like we have, what we have done in logarithmic differentiation, we have taken after simplification y this side. So we can add y into. And what is the value of y? It is from 1. This is equation 1. Value of y is sin x minus cos x power sin x minus cos x into cos x plus sin x, and here 1 plus log sin x minus cos x. So this is the solution of question number 9. Again I am explaining. product tool we are using first function constant, differentiation of second. Now second function constant, log sin x minus cos x constant, differentiation of first. So differentiation of sin is cos and differentiation of cos is minus sin, already minus sin is here, plus sin x. So this is the way to simplify. Now 11th question is y equal to x power x function plus x power x function. So without log not possible, but here we cannot take log at very first step, because whenever you get plus minus sign in between, you have to separate them. What we can do is, we can write or y equal to u plus v, therefore dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Equation 1, where what is u? U is x power x square minus 3, and what is v? It is x minus 3 power x square. Now this x power x function taking log, solve separately, find du by dx from here, dv by dx from here. For space is short, so I am rubbing this side. So log u equal to log x power x square minus 3. Bring this x square minus 3 forward, x square minus 3 log x. Now use product tool, log u, differentiating with respect to x. So log u is 1 upon u du by dx, and use product tool here. X square minus 3 is first function and this log x is second function. So x square minus 3 constant, differential log x is 1 upon x plus log x constant, differential of x square minus 3 is 2x minus 0. So this is du upon dx equal to u into x square minus 3 upon x plus 2x log x. Same way, what is the value of u? Use x power x square minus 3 upon into x square minus 3 upon x plus 2x log x. Now v is this, taking log. If we take log, log v equal to log x minus 3 whole power x square. This x square will come forward, x square log x minus 3. Which property we are using? Log m power n is n log m. Now differentiating with respect to x, because our aim is we have to find dv by dx. So differential log v is 1 upon v dv by dx, and use product tool. This is first function and this is second function. X square constant, log x minus 3, differentiation is 1 upon x minus 3, and inside this is because of log 1 upon x minus 3, and differentiation of x minus 3 is 1 plus log x minus 3 constant, differentiation of x square is 2x. So this is x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. Now whole multiplied by v dv by dx, and what is the value of v? Value of v is x minus 3 power x square into x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. Now substitute dv by dx and du by dx in 1, putting values in 1. So equation 1 is dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. What is du by dx? Dy by dx equal to du by dx is x power x square minus 3 whole into x square minus 3 upon x plus 2x log x. This is du by dx plus dv by dx is x minus 3 whole power x square into x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. So this is the result of this function.